With the superpower of AI, it is even possible to create a website with a single AI prompt. Yes, that is absolutely right. You heard it absolutely right. We can even create a website with just a single prompt. I recently came across an amazing, awesome AI tool, and with that, I was able to kind of generate a landing page of a website with just a single prompt. How that is working, that's exactly what we're going to see in today's video. So, with this tool, it is possible to launch a startup in seconds with artificial intelligence. So, if someone is having a startup idea, product idea, or service idea, this AI Power Builder helps every entrepreneur to quickly launch and validate the business idea. It will create the entire website content and stunning landing pages. And the good part of it is everything happens through just a single AI prompt that we have to give. You don't have to have any coding experience. You don't have to have any UI building experience. You don't have to have any design experience. What you just need to do is that you just have to give one prompt and that too in plain English. And this tool will do the magic and it will create the stunning website landing page for you. With this, we can even collect the customer feedback that is very important when we are launching the startup idea and we can grow our audience. That's the feature that it is providing. And it is absolutely easy to get started for free. So let's try this out and let's try to create a website with this. So I'm clicking on get started for free. So here is a prompt that it is giving. What's your startup idea? And we just have to describe our startup idea in a prompt over here. So what I'm going to say is that a website to create short form video content. Let's say a website to edit short form video content. And clicking on generate site, it is connecting to AI, submitting the description, everything is happening behind the scenes, and the magic is going on, designing a logo, collecting site images, crafting testimonials, writing soft site copy, generating site code, everything is happening too fast. It is configuring site, adding social sharing, it is optimizing SEO as well, and it is enhancing mobile experience. Yes, this is going to be responsive and it is improving the page performance as well. We'll take a look at it in a short while. How is the page performance? And here you can see that it has created the nice looking page. This is absolutely stunning. It says that create stunning video stories with clip makers. It has given the name as well, clip makers. It has created the logo as well. Then here is the place asking for joining the waitlist, and this is very important when we are validating the startup idea. People could join the waitlist, and then we could notify them and connect to social media. And here also it has added the space for capturing the reviews. And finally, to join the community, and once again join the waiting list. So this is so far we have created this. Now, what if we want to save it and customize it? So if we want to save it and customize it, what we'll have to do is that we'll have to do the login. So let me click on save and customize, and here it asks for the login. So we could create our own account as well, or we could log in with our Google account. So what I'm going to do is that I log in with my Google account, and then we'll take a look at it further. All right. So here you could see that under sites option, it is showing the clip makers that we just created. Okay, we just had to refresh in order to kind of have our site appear over here in this site drop down. So that's fine. I'm just clicking on that and it is saying that, okay, this is clip makers. It is not yet published. We could have a custom domain and let's click on edit site. Okay, so let's see what are the options that it is giving us. Okay, so here it is saying that whatever the title that it has given, if at all we want to change it, we could change it, create stunning video stories with clip makers. That is fine. Primary button, image URL. If at all we want to change the image URL, we could do that. Then next thing that we want to do is that show the reviews. So over here, if I remove this, so probably it would remove those reviews. Then image URL, it said like who are the person who was giving the review, then the features. So whatever the features that we want to give, that we could give it over here. Let's click on it, publish. So it is just publishing it, like whatever the changes that we have done on top of whatever was generated originally. So it should basically publish this site. But this was something amazing. Just with a single prompt, it created the entire landing page. And the landing page, the design, if I say, it was absolutely stunning. I really like that. And our site is published, and this is the URL that it has published to. So we could just go and take a look at that, how exactly our site is looking. All right, so the moment I clicked on that URL, so this is something we could see that, yes, it is showing up the page absolutely awesome. And this thing we talked about, it said that join our waitlist. So let's see if it is working or not. So I'm just giving that and clicking on join our web waiting list, and it said that success. All right, so this is working. Now let's go to the editor. Now over here, it said that go to the site dashboard. So let's take a look at the site dashboard, what it is showing. So what it basically showed was the recent subscribers. Okay, so I joined the wait list. So it said that yes, this person has joined. So this is actually a working site, I could say. And at any point of time, we could change the site settings. We could upgrade it at any point of time. And at bottom of the page, we could kind of see this made with AI on Mixo. So that shows up since we are on the free trial. So that's the reason it was showing that if you want to get rid of this, we will have to upgrade that. And if at all we want to kind of customize our domain, like whatever the one that is showing up over here, but if you want to kind of link it to our custom domain, then we'll have to choose a plan. We'll have to basically upgrade, and then only we'll be able to do that. And the plan that it is having is also awesome. That is, the basic one is having $9 per month, and the pro one is having $39 per month. You could kind of take a look at that if you want to select any of the plan. But all in all, this was absolutely awesome. I really like that, and this was another one that I tried just before that. And let me also kind of publish that as it is and see how that looks as well. So it is just building the site and publishing it, and this one also is going to be stunningly amazing, I should say. All right, so this was the page that it created for the another site that I was experimenting with. And this is also looking super cool. You could kind of play around with the settings of the site. If you want to change the color of it and everything, you could kind of do it. But this is a super cool tool, and I really, really, really like that. I'll also give a link to this, both the sites that I created, in the description box. So if you want to play around with it, you could take a look at that. Also, you could join the wait list as well if you want to. And yeah, I'll also give a link to this Mixo.io site as well in the description box. So if you want to take a look at it, you could kind of go and try experimenting it yourself, and this is going to be awesome. Let me know if you like this video or not. I'll be coming up with now super amazing content for you guys, and I hope you will be enjoying that. And if at all something related to KDP I will come across, I am going to post that as well. So some super cool stuff is going to be coming soon on this YouTube channel. So make sure that you are subscribing to this channel if you have not already. Okay, thank you for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.